Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a different styles and my what are these, passion twist hairstyle. So I'm showing you different styles you can do to your hair. This probably be a two-part video. So here's one already, and I'm gonna show y'all how I did this. And I'm using snappies. Here we go. I'm gonna show y'all how I did this style first, which I use 0 bobby pins. So basically you have to get your a high up ponytail, and what I do is spread the hair out, and I start from one side and just start wrapping and tucking at the same time. So basically wrap and tuck, roll and tuck, keep rolling and tucking. And I just keep on rolling and tucking until I get to the end of the hair, and then still keep rolling. And I still keep tucking. And I just keep going until my ends are under, and I tuck them all, shape my bun the way I want it. See a couple pieces of hair that didn't do, but you just tuck those in. And there you go. There's my bun. You can put some little accessories up there. I don't do the whole accessory thing, just plain Jane, but you can accessorize it, hook it up and whatnot. Well, we could do a side mohawk first. So I'm gonna just take the snappy out. And that's a double snappy. I use 2 on that one. So for this pony hawk, I'm just using 1. So basically you take it to a point, and you just basically decide which side you want to be hanging over. And I'm gonna do this side. Oh, and the noise in the background is my washing machine and dryer, so wash that. Please ignore that. But yeah, so you just do that. There's my side part. So now I'm gonna take this side and I'm gonna go ponytail it all the way to the corner over here. So now let's get it to this corner. You run it all the way to the corner, so pull it a little bit. Then you bend your hair back a little bit. And there you go, it's your side hawk. And you shouldn't be able to see the ponytail because you have enough hair to cover it back there. And I think I grabbed a little too much, so I'm gonna snatch that out of there. And there you go. There's my side pony hawk. Well, it's a side hawk. Mohawk. So basically, you don't see the ponytail because it's underneath all that hair that's to the side. So there's your side hawk. You can bobby pin the pieces out of the way that you want, or you just tuck it like I just did. And there's the side hawk. Okay guys, so this is the same hairstyle but done in a different way. Basically you do a cornrow instead of smoothing it back into a regular ponytail. So you just cornroll it back the same way you did the ponytail, and you grab less hair towards the back, and I wrap one of the braids in the back around instead of using a ponytail holder, which makes it hidden more, so you really don't see the hidden braid in the back, and the hair just falls right over it. Flatten it over. Back to the pony hawk with the little braid that you can accessorize. Okay, so this style right here I like to call a layered ponytail, or either just an elongated ponytail. So basically it's 3 ponytails right underneath each other, so it's lined up and makes it look like it's just one ponytail instead of 3. But anyways guys, that's all I have for you this video, so see y'all in the next one. Bye.